If you are preparing for a data engineer job right now, this video might completely change how you prepare. Because most people are learning random tools like Kafka, Kubernetes, and many advanced technologies. But do you know which skills companies actually want? So I stopped guessing. I analyzed 50 plus real data engineer job postings in India from LinkedIn, Naukri, and Indeed. And the results were surprising. Here is exactly what I did. I searched for data engineer jobs across different experience levels: freshers, 2 years, and senior roles. Then, for each job posting, I noted every skill they mentioned. And I put all of that data into this Excel sheet. So, this is not my opinion, this is real hiring data from real companies. Now, let's look at the most in demand skills. The number one skill is SQL. Out of 50 plus jobs, SQL was required in more than 90% of them. This makes SQL the most important skill for data engineers. Whether it is a service company or a product company, SQL is everywhere. The second skill is Python. Around 85 to 90% of jobs required Python. Companies expect you to use Python to build data pipelines and automate data processing. The third skill is cloud. This includes AWS, GCP, or Azure. Around 80% of jobs required at least one cloud platform. You don't need all three, even one cloud platform is enough to start. The fourth skill is Apache Spark or PySpark. This was required in around 65 to 70% of jobs. Spark is used to process large scale data efficiently. The fifth skill is Apache Airflow. Around 50 to 60% of jobs mentioned Airflow. Airflow is used to schedule and manage data pipelines. Now, when you look at all the skills together, a clear pattern appears. SQL, Python, and cloud are the foundation. Everything else builds on top of these. Now, here is the most important insight. Many people focus too much on advanced tools like Kafka or Kubernetes, but in reality, these were required in far fewer jobs. The majority of companies are looking for strong fundamentals. They want engineers who can write good SQL, who understand Python, and who can work with data on cloud platforms. This is the real priority, not learning everything, but learning the right things deeply. Now let's connect this to career growth. If you are starting with SQL and Python, you can target entry level roles. Once you add Cloud and Spark, you can move to higher paying roles. And with experience in pipeline tools like Airflow and modern data platforms, you can grow even further. This is the skill ladder that most data engineers follow. So the biggest takeaway from this video is simple. Focus on fundamentals first: SQL, Python, and one cloud platform. In the next video, I'll create a complete roadmap based on this data to help you prepare step by step. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.